Morning, everybody. Beautiful Tuesday morning. A little chilly, but beautiful. All right. I'm going to see if I can't have this car ready for paint today. I come in and I'm walking around it, looking things over. I see two spots, one right there, and nope. I'll run across it. I'm going over the whole car again, but there was two spots that I'm going to put a little bit of spot putty in. I've still got to sand the roof and go around all the edges and hit 400 on the bulk of it. Get the edges like this. Got to get that stuff ready. I got to sand this. I did that just because I'm going to go ahead and sand it and paint it with the rest of the car. Let's see. Don called me this morning, and we was discussing last night about doing this in white to match the roof. Neither one of us realized it until I seen that, but he said, well, this should be white to match this. That was last night. This morning, he called me and said he was looking at a whole bunch of them online. Okay, I forget where I was. That was a paint store calling. He said the top of the door pillar needs painted white to match the roof. And this morning, he called and said he was on YouTube looking at a whole bunch of 56 Nomads. He said he only found one with the roof that was white. He said he didn't like it. So now we're gonna do the white stripe in here and up. And all this is gonna be white all the way around. And the roof is gonna be red to match the rest of the car. I think that's a good choice. I think it'll look sharp and it'll break it up a little bit more. So I'm gonna get at it, see if I can't get this thing as close to ready to paint today as possible. All right, let's get busy.
could put a little stud at the top, a little platform, and put on the bottom, and it'd be plenty strong. If I really want to, we can cross brace it or do whatever down the road. Anyway, I don't know if Danny's gonna fit in this thing all the way forward or not. We'll have to see what we run a pill. She's never driven stick shift, so why not learn in this see this forward. Anyway, I was doing that, and I stopped because I just got a delivery. Now, a couple weeks ago, I got an email from Danny, Great Western Saw. It's an outfit in Saskatchewan. They start off with woodworking tools, and now they're getting into metalworking tools. And I use, you guessed it, a lot of metalworking tools. Anyway, if you're gonna watch the channel, of course he loves it. Thinks everything he does is fantastic. Loves my hair. Thinks everything I do is fantastic. I just need a bit of watch, he said. Anyway, here's my stuff. Now I haven't complained before in like a second while working at the garage, and I've been looking. I have one of these Millers, and it's good, but I don't bleed blue or red or anything. And I don't think there's a price out of Miller lately. They're ridiculous. So anyway, Ben had told me, hey, we have this line, they're called Prime Welders, Prime Weld, I guess. And they have all sorts of, plasmas, welders, TIG welders, all sorts of stuff. And he said, here it is, you give me some pricing, I paid for this stuff. So it's not a sponsored ad, but you know what? It's a local-ish guy, and in Canada, we don't have a lot of local guys. So this one, if anybody would want to, is kind of local or whatever. They have free shipping over a certain amount of money. Yeah, I'm going to try it out. It's John, I'll let you know. I'm not holding back. This is what I ended up getting. I picked up one of their plasma cutters. Now, I do have a plasma cutter, but it's pretty dated, and I actually have issues getting consumables from a local place. I got this plasma table. Why would you need a plasma table, do you ask? Another poor financial decision of mine. So, my buddy Josh and my buddy Dave Newbern both have these things called arc droids, and they're basically like a home version of a kind of CNC. They're basically a box with arm on it and cut with a plasma cutter. And they sell these at this Great Western Saw. And you know what? I talked to Ben there for a while, and he said, you know what, man, you don't need this thing.
All right, change of plans again. I have got several spots around this vehicle that I need primer on. You can see the edge of these ribs. I had a spot up there. I got a spot down there. I got a spot there. I am going to give this another coat of primer. I don't feel good about going to 400 on it and feeling like it will be good. I'm going to give it one more coat of primer. I'm going to try to get it as smooth as possible. And I am going to put 800 on the DA, and I'm going to sand it to 800 tomorrow and go from there. Hopefully I can still have this thing painted this week. I don't know, I got some taping to do. I want to tape that up. I ain't repainting that. Tape the wheel openings in the front, tape the windshield. Not really the windshield, but this area. Tape the door jambs. I don't want primer all over my paint. I just don't feel good about saying it's ready for paint. All right, I'm gonna get this thing all wiped down, wax and grease remover, and start taping. All right, one last coat of primer. Whew. It looks good. It's even flashing off nice. I think it's just going to be a light scuff and shoot. Go ahead and quickly go over the whole car to make sure it's got a good hatch and start shooting tomorrow. Hopefully. I hope. All right, well, wasn't expecting to prime it all over again, but like I said before, I want it right before I shoot that paint on there. Well, guys, I'll see you tomorrow.